I'm going to talk to you today about collections. Maybe you have a collection account on your credit report. Been sitting there for a while. And every time you think about it, your stomach is in knots. And you don't know what it is. You don't know why it's even there. It shouldn't have been there to begin with. Maybe a company that bought that debt. You don't know what it is. But you know what? At some point, you got to pull your head out of the sand. You got to figure it out. Worst thing you can do is ignore it. It's not going to just go away. I mean, listen, 7 years it'll go away. But it's reporting every single month, month after month. Why not dig into it? It could be a debt that's legit. You could get sued on it. Or maybe it's just garbage. Either way, the second that we look at your credit report, we can tell you what it is. You can sign a power of attorney. We can dig into that debt. We can have answers in 24 hours. A couple things you need to think about, though. The pay for delete gambit. This is the holy grail of credit repair. Before you pay a single cent, see if you can negotiate a pay for delete with the collection agency. All three credit bureaus. Get it in writing. Have us look at it. Get an email. Listen, you pay this bill, we'll remove it from your credit. Get that in writing. Step 2, the lowball offer. Why negotiate against yourself? You got $1,000 debt. Maybe start at $150, a couple $100. That's all I can do. Maybe you end up at 30% or 40%, depending upon the age of the debt. Either way, you're saving money. And step 3 is the zombie debt defense. This debt that's an old debt that's out of statute. They can't sue you. They can still report it for another year or two, but they can't sue you. And that's when you have power. Say, listen, you can't sue me on the debt. You're going to stop reporting it in a year and a half. Take it or leave it. It works. Trust me. We had a client, had a $2,200 collection. Nasty. We got on the phone. We offered $800. The thing was at 5.5 years. Had another year and a half to go. Collection agency agreed. They took the money and they ran. By the way, we got it settled and removed from the credit report. Client score went up, 75 points at that point. A collection account is a problem, but it's one we can solve. 70% of the business we do is dealing with collection agencies. Every single day, it's costing you money. Take control of your credit. Take your power back. Text the word credit to 702-778-2000. We'll be waiting to hear from you.